Next, we need to determine centroid of the area for this composite block. As we can see here, this is our x-axis and this is y-axis. Therefore, at the intersection, we take as coordinate 0, 0. Then, we need to tabulate those data, which is A, x bar, y bar, ax bar, and ay bar. For this one, the unit in inch. With the measurement we can see in here, 3 inch, 3 inch, 1 inch, and 3 inch for the radius. As we can see here, we have the combination of basic shape, which is triangle, a rectangular, a quarter circle, and semicircle. First, we're going to determine value for segment 1, which is triangle. So, we need to determine what the area for this triangle. So, the formula for triangle is half times the base times the height. So, the base is 3 inch and the height is 3 inch. Therefore, half times 3 times 3, we get 4.5 inch square. Next, we need to determine x bar and y bar, which is centroid for this yellow triangle. That means 1/3 from the bottom and 1/3 from this side. But please remember, we take this point is our center. Therefore, for x prime is 3 inch times 1/3 times by 3. Therefore, we get 4 inch. Then for the y is 1/3 of the total height of 3 inch. Therefore, 1 inch. So we fill those data in this table, which is 4.5 inch square. Then for x is 4, but this centroid lay on negative axis, therefore negative 4, and for the y on positive y, therefore is 1. Then we can calculate our x bar and y bar for segment 1. Next, we move to second segment, which is this rectangular. The size of that is 3 times 3, so we have 9. Then we need to find our centroid for this rectangular, exactly at the middle. Therefore, for x prime, 3 divided by 2, we get 1.5. But do remember, for the x-axis, the centroid lay on negative axis. Therefore, it's negative 1.5. Then for y bar is 3 divided by 2, 1.5. So 1.5 on positive axis. So we can calculate our x bar is negative 13.5 and ay bar 13.5. Next, we need to calculate our semicircle. Please remember, for one circle, area is pi r square. So for the segment 3, quarter circle is pi r2 divided by 4. And we get 9 pi divided by 4 for our A. Then we need to identify x bar and y bar, which is centroid for this quarter circle. So the centroid on x is 4/3 r divided by pi. So our r is 3, so we get our x bar is 4 divided by pi. Because it's quarter circle, the value for x bar and y bar is similar. So we fill x bar value and y bar value in this table, and then we can find our ax bar and ay bar. Next, we going to identify value for segment 4, which is semicircle. So for the area for one circle is a pi r square. Therefore for semicircle, a pi r square divided by 2. And r for the semicircle is 1. Therefore a is pi divided by 2. So fill our a, but back to our question, this value is hollow or void error. Therefore we have to minus that. So negative pi divided by 2. And for the center for this semicircle, for x prime lay exactly on the coordinate 0, 0. Therefore x prime is 0. While for y prime is 4/3 r divided by pi. Therefore our r is 1. So our y bar is 4 divided 3 pi. So fill in this table, then we can calculate our a x bar and a y bar. Once we tabulate all the value for those segments, we can sum up value for a. We get 19. Also we need to sum up value for ax prime is negative 22.5, and sum up of ay prime is 26.33. For this question, make sure you write the right unit. Next, we need to determine centroid for composite block. Remember for this one, we can replace our W with volume, area or length. Therefore, to find our x, our y, we just replace this W to our A value. Then we have this x bar and y bar formula respectively. So we need to get what is value for summation of ax bar a divided by summation of a. Also for y, summation of y bar a divided by summation of a. So we get those data in this table already. So we can calculate our value for a bar, and we get that value is negative 1.18 inch, while for y bar is 1.39 inch. That's mean the centroid coordinate for this composite block is negative 1.18 and 1.39 inch.